Press and hold the power button for 3s to turn on the device. The X1 earbuds need to be activated first. When it's the first time to activate X1, select your system language. Connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the prompts to enter the activation page. Take out the earbuds and remove the insulation sticker. Put the earbuds back again to activate the device. If the activation fails, take out the earbuds again to reactivate. After successfully activating the device, you can start using the translation functions. One-on-one mode only needs one single X1 device. Each user needs to wear one earbud to start the simultaneous translation. Select one-on-one mode and set up the languages for 2 parties. Take out the earbuds and share one earbud with the other party. Or take them out beforehand. Then you two can have free conversations. Listen Play feature requires you to wear the earbuds and keep the main unit near the sound source to record and translate. Choose Listen Play mode and select the languages for the main unit and the earbud to record and translate. Then put on your earbuds to listen to the translation. To make a brief dialogue, hold the back button to speak and release it to play the audio for an automatic translation via the main unit speaker. Ask Go mode provides small chats for users when using the device in hand. You can press and hold to speak and release it to translate. Press the back button for 2s and release it to select the languages for 2 parties. When you hold the back button and speak, the system is capable of detecting the language and translating automatically. The user of one X1 device may call the number of another to communicate remotely in real time. Choose voice call and you can see the unique 6-digital number of your X1. Click dial to call and make a voice call with another X1. After the call is connected, you can begin a remote conversation with translation in real time. X1's multi-person feature can support 20 attendees in 5 languages, offering online and face-to-face multi-way simultaneous translation. For in-person meetings, the administrator should press the power button twice to access their tap-to-pair interface and then detect the other screen on X1 devices to create a conference room. Meeting members who want to invite others to join the meeting can do so by pressing the power button twice to activate the tap-to-pair interface and then tapping the screen on X1 device of the other participant. Here is the conference member sorting number to help you distinguish the content of their speeches. Choose your own language. Now the speech mode is on and only the administrator can make a speech. The administrator can click here to unmute all the members. Put on the 2 translation earbuds to start multi-person conversations. Please note to avoid speaking at the same time. If you need an online meeting, select the multi-person meeting mode and create a meeting room. You can choose whether the password is needed to join the meeting. The person who creates the meeting room is the administrator by default. Other participants can join the meeting by entering the corresponding meeting number and password. One-on-one and Listen Play modes support offline translations for 13 language pairs. Now the offline translation is off. Please tap here to download and select the offline languages you need to enable the function. For devices connected to Wi-Fi, activate Wi-Fi sync in settings and tap to pair for other X1 devices with the same screen on X1 to quickly share the Wi-Fi connection.